St. Charles summer camp has been unique,
educational,
exciting,
diverse,
happy,
and safe.
this experience I will never forget.
I went to the summer camp last year and I came again this year because I love to meet new people from other countries, and this year was incredible.
everything, the people, the staff members, the activities, the atmosphere is just amazing. It makes you feel wanted here.
On the first day when we arrived, we had a backpack full of equipment and a note that says, "Hope you have a nice day here." It was very welcoming.
The staff is really kind to all the students.
I felt like they are my best friends, all of them. They were all also extremely helpful.
I've been to several camps before and I've never loved any of them as much as I love this one.
We always have activities and they're so much fun. We visit new places which I have never been to.
The day I did paragliding, I saw all the beauty of Switzerland. I was sitting with my open mouth.
My favorite activity will be my French classes because we go outside to practice with local people and makes me feel more confident when I speak French.
My English improved a lot and I think I become more grown up mentally.
The camp experience has made me expand my horizon. For example, we talked about communication, critical thinking.
I've learned a lot about how to present myself, teamwork, how to speak with each other.
And how, if I was a leader in the future, I would know how to adapt to changes.
I love this summer camp really. I'm here to visit the school because I was thinking to go to St. Charles and it's really nice to stay here.
I made many unforgettable experiences.
Going to new places, meeting new people.
All the good memories. I just have a smile on my face that I was here.